Hey, fellow Jeepers, I've been chasing this front end clunker like I know a lot of you have. And what you're seeing is I got my own car lift. The Jeep is on the car lift off the ground. It's Arizona, it's like 110, so I'm gonna make this quick. So what I think is happening is when we're hitting those ruts and those real quick bumps in the road, I think this bar right here is going like this, giving you that sensation in your steering wheel, because that's hooked directly to your steering gearbox. The bottom one hooked to your shocks, your steering stabilizer, does the same thing. So I think when we're going over these bumps, this thing is going like this, and this one right here is going like this, and that's what we're getting. So to test my theory, I came up with a fix. Stand by, it's going to be in the second video, and I'll show you how I'm going to test my theory, because to be honest with you, mine started doing this about 7,000 miles, and that's when all of these joints about would have loosened up, in my opinion. So stay tuned, and I'll show you my fix. Bye.